In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix table header on Confluence. If you want your table headings to stay clearly defined and properly formatted in Confluence, this is a very simple adjustment you can make directly inside the page editor. A header row helps separate your column titles from the rest of the table content, which makes the table easier to read and more organized for anyone viewing the page. To get started, open the Confluence page where you want to fix the table header and make sure the page is in edit mode. You need to be inside the editor so you can make changes to the table settings. Once you're in the editor, look at the top toolbar. If you don't already have a table on the page, click the table icon to insert one. This will add a new table that you can begin editing right away. If your table is already there, you can skip creating a new one and go straight to the first row. Now click anywhere inside the first row of the table. When you do that, a floating toolbar should appear near the table. On that toolbar, click Table Options. This will open additional settings for the table. From the list of options, select Header Row. Turning this on tells Confluence that the first row should be treated as the table's heading area rather than regular table content. After that, type your column headings into the cells in the first row. These should be the labels that describe the information in each column. For example, you might use titles like task name, owner, status, or due date, depending on the type of table you're building. Keeping these headings short and clear will make the table easier for others to scan quickly. When you're done entering the headings, go to the top right corner of the page and click Publish or Update, depending on whether this is a new page or an existing one. This saves your changes and applies the header row to the table. And that's it. Your table header is now fixed in Confluence. As a quick tip, if the table doesn't look right at first, just go back into edit mode and confirm that you selected the first row before enabling the header row option. That small detail is usually what makes the difference. Once it's set correctly, your table will look cleaner and feel much more professional.